In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an email address in Canva. Whether you're designing a flyer, a digital invitation, or any other visual content, adding an email hyperlink can make it much easier for your audience to contact you. Let's dive right in and explore this straightforward process step by step. First, you'll want to open up your design in Canva. If you haven't already, start by selecting the text where you'd like to insert the email link. Simply click on the text to highlight it. You'll notice a toolbar appearing right above your design, providing you with several options to edit the text. This toolbar is where we'll be focusing our efforts. Next, you'll see three little dots on the right side of this toolbar. These dots are a gateway to more features, and clicking on them will reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. Remember that clicking on these dots is your next step, so go ahead and do that. Once you've clicked on the three dots, the drop-down menu will have a variety of options to choose from. What you're looking for here is the link option. This is usually represented by a chain icon. Click on this icon to open the link settings box, which is where you'll enter your hyperlink details. After selecting the link option, it's time to type in your email address. Here's a little tip. Make sure you type it in the correct format. For emails, this typically means including mail to before the actual email address. So your entry should look something like mail to your email example.com. This simple prefix ensures that when someone clicks the link, their default email client opens, ready to compose a message to you. With the email address typed in, you're almost done. All that's left to do is to click Done to apply the hyperlink to your text. This step finalizes the process, embedding the email address into the selected text. Now, whenever someone clicks or taps on that text in your design, it will automatically generate a new email address to you. And that's it. It was a quick and easy process to make your designs much more interactive and user-friendly. This little design tweak can be very helpful, especially if you're aiming to make your visual content not just beautiful but also functional. So, next time you're working on a project that requires easy contact methods, remember this quick tip. Thank you for watching this Canva tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more quick tips and helpful tutorials. Keep creating and have a great day.